This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Matthew, back at it again with another banger video, man. And as you can see by the title and thumbnail, in today's video, we're taking my Hoodless 392 Scat Pack Challenger on the highway and cutting up, man, going crazy on the highway. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all at the end. By the way, this is Matthew. I am the one driving. lorShift had to step out real quick. I had to take his car just to make this video, so we're gonna hop right into it, y'all. No more talking, let's get it. Bam! As y'all can see, man, lorShift don't know what he doing with this thing, man. Y'all see this engine bay, bro? Powered by SRT Hellcat intake with the little tube going straight through the headlight. Oh my goodness, I don't know why he duct taped this thing. I guess he lost his fuse box cover, so he just taped it up. I don't know, but he got the coilovers. Feel me, that fitment looking crazy, as y'all can see. Yeah, lorShift don't know what he doing with this. This is a good joint, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. SRT on the front, wrapped in matte black. Still got these mirrors red for some reason. Oh my goodness, SRT. We got the red eye spoiler. Hold on, is this a Scat Pack or a red eye? What is this? This is a Scat Pack or a demon? What is this? Whatever, man. No more talking this time. We actually gonna hit the highway now. I'm done talking. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, we gonna get started, man. We got a biker right here.
We about to get your pickle chin, that boy. They go that collard green hair, that boy.
He thinks he's faster than me. He thinks he's faster than Matthew. Don't get hit, bro. Now I gotta show him how slow this car is. Damn, he's flying in that Beamer.
There you go, he right there.
All right, I'm about to go.
Nigga, hurry the fuck up.
Oh, what you doing, gang? You would turn over right when I... Hopefully this ain't one of them videos where we run into every light and then deal with traffic. Oh, we got a cop behind me too. Hold on, y'all. Newcastle police. We back, man. No more police we gotta deal with. Huh? God, we got a Corvette over there. No hood, man, no hood. Oh man, we about to hit the highway, y'all. It's about to get active. Hopefully we got some traffic. lorShift still hasn't hit me back, man. I'm in his car. I guess he don't want his car back. about to run off the road. Alright, y'all, we back. I don't know what happened with the video. It kind of cut out a little bit, but we back, man. Oh, it's a hard drop. lorShift did lower his car, so like every bump we hit, it's just bad. Like, we scrape every bump we hit. There isn't really that much traffic we can hit, but we do got no hood right now. As y'all can see.
Tire pop. Hey, yo.
Alright, y'all, so my tire just popped somehow. I don't know how I'm still driving on this thing, but oh my goodness. Tire just bust on the highway. Damn, y'all. Yikers. There's no tire shops open right now, I don't think. That's the shitty part. Oh my God. We gotta find a tire shop now. Oh my God, Lord Bender is down, bruh. How does this happen? Like, I swear, I sped up and all I heard was a boom. Like, y'all seen it in the video. Like, I thought I wasn't tripping. I thought I had underground tuning. I'm like, what's going on? And then my car started to like shift a little weird, and I don't know, bro. This never happened to me before, bro. Flat tire is crazy. Luckily, it didn't really mess up my panel, my bumper, or anything like that. But yeah, bro, this is crazy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Let me give y'all one more look at the Tanny Mobile though. With a flat tire. Oh my goodness. No hood. That's how we rocking today, y'all. Yeah, let me go get my tire changed. I'm gonna pick up the camera once we hit the tire shop. Stay tuned because we're not done with the POV drive. We still gonna cut up and I don't give no fucks. So let's get it. Damn, y'all. This shit crazy. Couldn't even have jacked my car up. We had to put a piece of wood here just to lift the car up. Y'all see them springs though? Yeah, y'all gotta see the tire though. The tire looked crazy. I'm gonna show y'all the tire in a second. This shit crazy how this happened. I never had this happen to me before. Nah, this joint crazy, bro. This gonna cook. I don't know how I didn't like lose control. Like that joint just popped. And I just kept driving on it. Boom! Yeah. This joint cook. It's over for that. Yeah, yo, we definitely gotta swap the tire. Alright, y'all. Finally back, man. We back on our feet, man. We back. We good. Hopefully lorShift doesn't find out, because if so, he's never letting me take the Scat again. We back on our feet. You might realize this tire is a little smaller, but it's cool. Luckily, there was a tire shop that was close by. I didn't record too much footage of me at the tire shop or, you know, a little bit after it happened, but yeah, it definitely did happen. Good thing I didn't spin out or anything like that and total my car or crash it, so we still good. The Tanny Mobile is okay. The rims are fine. The tire pressure is fine. Everything's good. I'm not gonna jinx anything, but yeah. If y'all enjoyed this video, man, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna give y'all a couple more pulls before I end it, but for the most part, this will conclude my video. If you want to stay to the end, we probably got like another minute or two left of footage, and then we're gonna end this zone. But appreciate y'all for watching the zone. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get it. We not even in track mode neither. Hold on, y'all. Let me go on track real quick. There we go. Oh my goodness. One more pull and we done. y'all liking the POV drives, y'all? Y'all enjoying them? Let me know down in the comment section below. If not, I could completely switch it up for y'all. If y'all enjoying them, if y'all bang with the POVs, I'll continue to drop them. Just keep me updated. I apologize that this video didn't go as planned, but you know, everything happens for a reason. Can't control what really happens, you know what I mean? I just happened out of nowhere, honestly. Oh my God, this tunnel's about to be real loud. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all, we gonna end this joint. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy lorShift, and I'm gonna catch y'all. Wait. It's your boy Matthew, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next banger video. We out. Boom.